It's back to school time and we are cooking up some healthy lunch recipes. We're going to be using some quinoa. We're going to cook this up and it's going to be a nice grain to add some good protein and some fiber for our meal. So we're going to go ahead and get started. For our cucumber quinoa salad, we're going to combine quinoa with cucumber, red onion, basil, and some feta cheese, and then we're going to make a nice homemade dressing to go with it. Start with our cucumber. Next, we're going to cut up our onion. We're only going to need about half of the onion, and we did choose to do a red onion, which is going to really give the quinoa salad a nice color to it. Next, we're going to add some basil, and we're going to use a technique called chiffonade. So we're just going to grab a couple basil leaves, kind of put them on top of each other, roll them up, get our knife, and we're just going to cut them in little slices so they make little strings of the basil. Next, we're just going to add a little feta cheese to our salad. Now we're going to put the dressing together for our salad. So we're going to add about 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then we'll do 2 tablespoons of an apple cider vinegar. We'll do a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh lemons and squeeze that, or we're just using the quicker way. About 1/2 tablespoon of some Italian seasoning. We'll just add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Once we have all of that together, we'll just screw the lid on our mason jar and mix that up really well to add to our salad. Now we've got our quinoa all cooked, so we're ready to put everything together. We can put it together in our little lunch containers. So we'll just add some quinoa to the bottom, top it with some of our vegetable mixture, and add our dressing on top. Now we'll show you a few other things you can add to your lunchbox. We've got some simple grab-and-go options like a low-fat cheese stick, fruit such as an apple, or we've got some nice cubed-up watermelon. We also have some hummus with bell peppers for dipping, and then of course our cucumber quinoa salad.